Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your headlight settings. So right now I have the vehicle on, so off, start the vehicle up just as you normally would. And off to the left here you should see a dial that you can flip between. I have it on auto right now, and since the car is sensing that it's darker out at nighttime, it does have your normal lights on. And if you want to control that manually, you just flip it. So that would be like your running lights for like your parking. And then this would be just your normal lights like it already was doing with the auto setting. And then you can, if you want to just flip them between on and off, you can pull there. That turns this on or off. And then if you want your brights on, you're going to want to just push this lever forward or pull it back, push it forward for on, pull it back for off. As you can see here, it's going on and off. But anyways, and if somehow these aren't operating properly, might want to just visit a mechanic, have them pull it apart, see if maybe there's something loose in here. Potentially just check also for light bulbs being out, which you can obviously do from outside the vehicle by turning everything on and seeing if everything's illuminated. If you're by yourself, potentially too, sometimes using something like the hazard button, you can help you check everything because more lights are going to start flashing. But typically, yeah, this should be able to help control everything. And if you're having some sort of issues with the sensor for the nighttime and daytime, that's located just right up here. So make sure there's nothing weird covering that up. Potentially maybe you have something sitting up here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a great day.